So welcome to the AI Quick Build Challenge. Here we're going to be checking out some awesome AI multimodal capabilities. As you can see, we've got loads of Lego here, but it's not just about playing with toys. We're going to be checking out if Google's Gemini Flash API can see and analyze what we're doing in real time and provide us with a commentary. So here I've got some friends of mine from Google, and they're going to be participating in the challenge as well, where we're going to be given an idea what we can build using Lego, and then we're going to try and build it in under 100 seconds.
Just a heads up, this video is about AI, it's not about Lego, but Lego is used to explain the use case. Just trust me on this, you're going to enjoy it. Thank you to Google Cloud for sponsoring this video.
Let's welcome our next contestants. They will be attempting to build the best robot. You all have 100 seconds starting now.
I'm going to start with some legs, and as you can see here, these phones are taking images quite often so that it can analyze what we're actually building.
John is going for a classic yellow chassis. Will this be the base for a sunshine-powered bot?
He's slightly misaligned my robot.
Tom is stacking colors like a candy corn tower. Will this be a sweet robot or a sour surprise?
And once the challenge is over, we'll get into the real-world applications of this.
So while we're all busy playing with Lego, let's get John to explain exactly how this works.
So what we're seeing here is actually the use of multimodal AI. So Gemini has the ability of taking an image, which is the object we created, the little robot, and then actually producing that into a text form. So we're taking an image and creating a summary. That image is then put through an API to go from text to voice, and that's how you heard it actually coming up on the screen on what it said. Now, what's really exciting about what you've seen here is this end-to-end solution has many applicabilities in industry as well. I'm going to do arms.
I've completely forgot that robots have arms.
I know!
Oh no, I cheated! I've allowed my secret out.
We've only got 30 seconds. I mean, he's got a hat, but I don't think that is going to cut it.
Tom's robot is sporting some snazzy green boots. Is this bot ready to stomp the competition?
Robot is done.
Have we still got time, or
20 seconds to go.
We've got 20 seconds to go.
I'm done.
Okay, where's my
Rub it in, why
hat?
don't you?
Mine's got arms, got feet.
Where's my thing?
What is yours?
I don't know.
Oh no.
The tension is palpable as we've seen some incredible feats of brick-building engineering. Janine, your abstract approach was intriguing, though perhaps a bit too ambitious for the time frame. John, your robot's stability is commendable, a testament to your technical prowess. And Tom, your colorful creation showcased a spark of ingenuity with those extended arms. And the winner, displaying a unique blend of creativity and execution in their robot design, is Tom.
Whoa!
There we go.
Brilliant. Well done.
So this was really fun, but let's talk about the practical applications of this kind of technology.
So if you think about like every job, if you start a job or you start a career, you want guidance on how to do it. So if you're a mechanic and you're fixing your first brake, well, a brake is a really important part of a car. Yeah. Imagine you having this assisting you on doing that job at your very best. Once you get experience, the assistant is not so much required. But if you haven't seen this car before, or the car has something you've never seen before, imagine if it's got some damage, and that damage, it could be something that's severe. We can detect all of that through this and guide the person on the activities they're doing. So let me give you my 3 top tips for a developer. 1, learn how to vibe code. Okay. So the first thing to do is use Gemini or AI Studio, one of the tools that we have. You can then ask it a question. Build me an application using Gemini Live, for example, that allows me to actually video record something and get a text summary. It will then generate the first form of code. Don't stop there. Point 2, take that code, learn it, adapt it, and actually reprompt it. 3rd, just play and just actually learn. All of this is very simple Python code. You don't have to be a deep AI specialist.
So Gemini has crowned our Lego champion, but like I said, it's not just about playing with toys. This demo has highlighted some really awesome use cases of multimodal AI. My question to you is, what would you build if you had these exact same tools? I'm talking about the AI tools, not the Lego, by the way. And if you did enjoy this video, please do leave a like down below, hit the subscribe button if you're new, and tap the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. See ya.